Good afternoon. And the culture I choose was German, because I have always liked this culture. It is very interesting for me, because they are very strict, and the cultural event I choose is Oktoberfest. It's something that has always seemed fantastic to me. I made this choice because I like to try craft beers, and I think that here in this festival I will have the opportunity to try different types of beers, and it is great celebration. I will love this beer, and it is a great celebration, and it is also the largest beer event in the world. A curious fact is this festival has been celebrated in Munich, Germany, since 1800 approximately. Thank you very much. Bye bye.